Hello viewers, welcome to our channel ESG and Sustainability. In this video, let us understand ESG Framework. ESG Framework. Let us first understand what is a framework. A framework it is designed and developed by an individual body or a group of bodies based on some set standards and rules to understand, research and analyze for a pre-decided goal or output. Let us now understand what is ESG framework. ESG framework is a standardized system designed and developed for disclosure of ESG metrics by different organizations from all industries. Very often, these frameworks are designed and developed by voluntary bodies. So, these frameworks let organizations to disclose their non-financial performance in a standardized format, which lets individuals and investors to evaluate and understand the performance of those organizations. Based on these systems, several organizations' performance is evaluated by rating companies depending on the materiality based on the industry classification. In this ESG world, widely used frameworks are GRI, SASB, GHG Protocol, CDP, TCFD, SBTi, EU Taxonomy, IPIECA, SFDR, IR, etc. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more ESG tutorials.